In this tutorial, we will learn about a C function with return type, but it doesn't have any arguments. So let us dive deep into it. So we start any C program with a header file. So include your standard header file of hash include standard input output dot header file. This header file is essential because both printf and scanf functions are available inside it. Next, you declare your function prototype. So declare int sum, and because the function is not having any arguments, just leave it empty. And always you can write small comments for your code, because if somebody is reading your code, it is very essential and helps in understanding the code very easily. Next, you open your main function int main. Inside the main function, because the function is going to return some answer, you can declare one variable to store the result. So int result, and we can write result is equal to sum. So here we are calling the function, but because there is no argument, we'll just leave it empty. And after getting the result value, you can print your answer. So you can write some value is equal to percentage d, and in that you can write the replacing percentage d with result value. And next comes our function definition. So this was our function call. So here you are calling the function, and next comes our function definition. So write int sum, and just leave them and open your curly brackets. Now if you observe in this function, because it is not having any arguments, we really need to declare two variables on our own. So it will declare int a comma b, and then you ask user to only enter a and b values. So you can write down enter values of a and b, and we can store those values using scanf function. So because they are of type integer, we will store them inside a and b using percentage d format specifier. So just store them and a comma and b. And next, because you want to return the sum, you can directly return a plus b, because that is what the sum value is. So directly you can write the return statement as return a plus b. So when you write this statement, whatever the value is computed will be directly transferred to this result variable, because we are writing result is equal to some function called. So whatever this value returned by some function will be transferred to result, and that same value we are now printing in some value. So this is what is called a function definition, which has a return type, but it doesn't have any arguments. So this is our function definition. So let us try and compile the code once. So now if you observe, it is asking a and b. So I can enter any numbers like 7 and 9 if I enter. So it will print some value as 16, because 7 plus 9 is 16. So this is the code. Okay, this will have a look once. So like other functions also, this also consists of three critical components: the function prototype, the function call, and our function definition. And apart from this, finally we have here the return type. So this is our return of answer. So thank you.